Good afternoon, everyone. So I'm Justine, and this is another episode of Food for Fun. We're here in our CSCO kitchen, so welcome everybody. Hope you're all doing well. So today we're going to make lasagna roll-ups. These are 4-cheese lasagna roll-ups. It's a vegetarian version, so no meat today, but we've got lots of cheese. So we are going to get started with all our ingredients. Today we have our lasagna shells, which are here. I've cooked these for about 10 to 15 minutes in some boiling water, so they're all ready to go. So maybe you could get someone to just help you cook those. So we've got those here. Okay, so here in front of us we have some ricotta cheese, which is a nice firm cheese that we're going to put into our roll-ups. We also have a softer cheese, which is cottage cheese. We're going to mix these two together. With those we have some spinach here. This is just a fine chopped spinach. You can get this frozen, and I just microwaved it, made it soft. We're going to mix that one in as well. We have some mozzarella cheese that we're going to pop onto the top of our lasagna roll-ups today. We also have some sauce here, which is a pasta sauce. We're going to put some of that into our roll-ups. We also have one more cheese, which is our Parmesan cheese. And we have a little bit of seasoning. We have our garlic, we have some Italian seasoning, and we have our salt and pepper. So firstly, we're going to take our foil pan. I chose foil pans today because we're going to put these in the freezer so that we can have them for lunch or for supper another day. So with our foil pan, I'm just going to take some of this pan spray, and I'm just going to spray it. So you just want a tiny little bit lightly sprayed on there like that, just so it'll stop it from sticking. Okay, so we have our pasta sauce here. It's just a plain pasta sauce that you can buy in a jar. If you want, you can make a nice homemade one. So what I'm going to put into this is I've got a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, just dried, and I've got the same tablespoon of garlic powder. I'm going to put that in, and then we just want to give this a good mix up. There we go. And that's ready to put in our dish. Okay, so next we're going to take our nicely mixed sauce, and we're just going to put a tablespoonful onto the bottom of our dishes here. This just helps to stop it sticking when we put our lasagna noodles on. So put a little bit more there. Okay. I'm just going to spread this out over the bottom like that. And the same for that one. Okay, so now we're going to take a big mixing bowl like this one here, and we're going to put our ricotta cheese in. We've got a cup of ricotta here, so we're just going to pop that in there. And we're going to take a cup of cottage cheese, and we'll put that one in too. There we go. And we're going to put in our spinach. We've got a cup of spinach there that's going to go in. And we're also going to put 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese in. Just get that in there. There we go. Firstly, I'm just going to mix this in. So you can just see we mix it all together. I'm just going to add some salt and pepper to this, just to give it a little bit of seasoning. So you make sure you get all that spinach mixed in. There we go, that looks good. So I just want to take my seasoning. I've got some salt and pepper. You just want to add just a little bit. You can do it to your taste. Too salty because the cheese does have some salt in it too, and a little bit of pepper, goes in. Yeah. So that's our mixture for our lasagna roll-ups. Okay, now the fun bit, we're going to stuff our lasagna shells. So we want to take about a good heaping spoonful, and we just want to pop it on our shell like that, and we want to just smooth it all the way down. You can put quite a bit on here, it depends on how much filling you like. You don't want to overfill it because start to ooze out the sides and you'll have trouble rolling them up. So that looks a pretty good amount. So I'm going to do 2 of them here for you. So we'll put some more onto this one. There we go. Okay, so I filled 2 of my lasagna noodles here. We're just going to do these 2. And the fun bit is that we are now going to roll these up. So you just gently want to start at one side, and you don't want to push too hard. You just want to roll it like that. There we go. You just don't want to squeeze the mixture. So there you go. And you want to have the seam side on the bottom. So we've got that one rolled. And I'm just going to do this one. If some falls out, it's not a big deal. You can just pop it back in. There we go. Sometimes the noodles break a little bit. You just roll them up like that. There we go. So next I'm going to take these. I've just got a little mini spatula. I'm just going to pop them in. Like that. Take the other one, put next to him, here we go. So we've got those into our tin. Okay, so we're going to put some more of our pasta sauce onto the top of our lasagna roll-ups. Just spread that out over the top. These are looking good. Go. Put a little bit more on. You can go down the sides. Okay. I'm going to finish this off with some cheese. We've got our mozzarella cheese here. I'm just going to take a little sprinkling on the top. Okay, so we have our 4 cheese lasagna roll-ups all ready to go. They're in their tray, and we're going to pop this into the oven we have a preheated oven at 375. I'm going to pop this into the oven. This should take about 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm just going to put it in there. There we go. Okay, so our lasagna is done. I'm going to take it out of the oven. It is smelling absolutely delicious, and it looks pretty good too. So there you have it, our lasagna 4 cheese lasagna roll-up. Okay, so there's our lasagna roll-up, all good to go. I hope you enjoyed our show today, and you'll be back again to see something else that we're going to create next week. I'm going to make a few more of these to go with it, and I'm going to pop this one into the freezer. Although it smells so good, I might just have to have a little bite. Anyway, don't forget to like us and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you again. Take care, everybody.